want to show y'all how to make corn pone. I don't use them often enough. I'm just gonna crisp up this bacon. So our bacon is nice and crispy. 2 cups of yellow cornmeal. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder. All right, so we've got 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, a good teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. That is 1 bunch, so about 8 ounces of green onion. Just dump our bacon in there. All right, so we're just gonna mix this up. Times great grandmother, what was she? The corn pone pan. But I'm just using a cast iron skillet. 7 or 8 minutes. How about that?
Roger that.
I know, right? So, this one's had 10 minutes.